Welcome back to another video. Today we have
Dairy Queen. So we're trying three different two blizzards and then one shake. There's two new ones. The first one is the caramel apple pie blizzard, and
Ta-da.
then we have the pumpkin cookie butter shake. I'm excited for that one because I love cookie butter.
yes.
And then the third one, it's not new, it's just back for the fall. It's the pumpkin blizzard. So, but we've never tried it, so it's new to us. So the first one we're gonna try is let's do this one since we introduced it first. Yeah, the apple pie. It's kind of melted.
Go ahead.
Oh.
Oh, why is it crunchy? I hear you crunching.
It's really good. I don't even know what's in it, to be honest. But it's good, right?
Delicious.
Yeah, I give it a...
I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 at least to it.
Yeah, yeah, me too.
I knew
5
it.
out of 5.
I knew it.
So while we were editing, I realized that they've had an apple pie blizzard in the past, but the reason why this one is new is because it's a caramel apple pie. So this one has like chocolate pieces filled with caramel, but it's like white chocolate. So that's the main difference. And honestly, that was my favorite part of the blizzard.
Yeah.
So I definitely recommend it, even if you've tried the apple pie one before. Try the caramel one.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do the pumpkin cookie butter shake.
Wow. I like that flavor though.
Yeah, it's really good. It's really strong pumpkin flavor.
Yeah.
Really strong.
Well, for those that like it though.
Yeah, but I don't really get the cookie butter flavor. It just tastes like pumpkin to me.
Yeah, you're right about that.
It's still good. I'd give it a 4 because I'm a little disappointed in that. I wanted more of the cookie butter taste, but still good.
I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5. I think it is. It's a little bit too strong for me as well.
Yeah.
It needs more of that, like you said, cookie butter.
And then the last one is the pumpkin blizzard.
You have no idea the struggle we just went through with this one. It was melting, it was overflowing on our way to the car.
Because they served us too much. So normally that's a good thing. It started dripping everywhere.
So we haven't tried it. We didn't look around it.
Yeah.
We were wiping it with napkins.
We were tempted. Okay, here we go.
I don't hear you saying delicious or anything like that. What?
It was dripping on me. You see? Maybe a little bit more.
This is a pumpkin one? Let me do one more thing. Give it to you.
I feel like the shake had a stronger pumpkin taste than this. No?
Yeah, and I think because of that, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. I prefer this than the shake.
Yeah.
It's really good.
This is not as strong in pumpkin flavor, so I'm going to give this a 4.
All right. Well, there you have it. Please subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed. And smash that like button. And we'll see you guys next time.